Good evening, students. Today we are doing exercise 10b. The first sum of the exercise is a number increased by 5 is 16 and we have to find the number. So in this sum we have to assume the number, that number is x. Now we have to write like according to question. Short form of this is ATQ. So as given in question, a number. Now number is x. So x is increased by 5. Increased by 5 means we have to add a 5. So here I am writing x plus 5 equals to 16. So this is our equation. Now we have to solve this. We have to find the value of x. Now taking this 5 into the right hand side. So 16 minus 5 becomes 11. So the value of the x is 11. This means the number is 11. Now the second question, we have given a number decreased by 7 is 1. We have to find the number. Now let number is x. According to question, x minus 7 is 1. X is equals to 1 plus 7, that is 8. Third sum is half of a number is 50. It is given half of a number is 50 and we have to find the number. So in the solution, we have to assume the number, that is x. Now as given in the question that half of a number, it means half of x is equals to 50. That is given in the question. Now we can convert it as multiplication. Half multiplied by x is equals to 50. Now half is multiplied with x, so we have to divide 50 by half. Now convert division into multiplication. This fraction becomes reciprocal. So 50 multiplied by 2 by 1, that is 100. So the value of x is 100. Now the fourth sum. In fourth sum, the equation becomes this. 5 terms of a number is 75. Now you have to solve the sum yourself. Fifth one is the sum of two consecutive numbers is 45. It is given the sum of two consecutive numbers is 45. So what are the consecutive numbers? It means the number which comes one after the other. It means like 2 and 3. 3 comes just after the 2. So the continuous number, you can say like that, the continuous number are called the consecutive numbers. So the sum of two consecutive numbers is 45. We have to find the numbers. So let the two consecutive numbers are x and x plus 1. If we have any number as x, then the other number becomes x plus 1. If we are talking about the consecutive number, then the two numbers are x and x plus 1. Here the sum of the numbers are given, so we have to add them. X plus 1 is equals to 45. It is given. So it becomes 2x plus 1 is equals to 45, or 2x is equals to 45 minus 1, or x is 44 over 2, that is 22. So we have to write the number as the value of x is 22 and the value of x plus 1 is 23. Now the sixth sum. We have to cut a ribbon of length 44 centimeter into two parts such that one part is 3 times the other. Find the measure of the two parts. So we have to find the both parts. It is given that the total length is 44 centimeter. We have to assume that length of part 1 is x. The length of part 2 is 44 minus x. It is given the length of one part is the thrice. Thrice means we have to multiply. It is given 3 times. So we have to multiply by 3. 3 into length of second part. So here length of first part is x and the length of second part is 44 minus x. Now we have to multiply by 3. It becomes 3 multiplied by 44 gives 132. When we multiply 3 by x, we get minus 3x. Now taking this 3x into the left hand side, this x and this 3x becomes 4x. So 4x is equals to 132. Now we have to divide 132 by 4. We get 132 over 4, that is 33 centimeter. Now the length of part 1 is 33 centimeter and length of part 2 is 44 minus 33, that is 11 centimeter. Now we are doing 10 sum. It is if two sides of a square are given by 2x plus 9 and 3x minus 7, we have to find x. We all know that all the sides of a square are equal. Then we can put 2x plus 9 is equals to 3x minus 7. Now taking this 3x into the left hand side and this 9 into the right hand side, it becomes minus x is equals to minus 16, that is x is equals to 16. Both side minus we can cancel out. Eleventh sum. In the 11th sum it is given Raman is 6 years younger than his brother. The sum of their ages is 28 years. We have to find their ages. So we have to assume the age of brother as x. It is given the Raman is 6 years younger, means 6 years chota hai. So we have to subtract 6 from the age of brother. So this is the age of Raman. Now it is given the sum of the ages, means we have to add the ages. It is equals to 28. So it becomes x plus x, 2x minus 6 is equals to 28. Now taking x into the right hand side, we get 2x is equals to 34. Now divide 34 by 2, we get 17. So this is the age of the brother. Now we have to find the age of Raman also. So here we have to write that age of Raman is equals to 17 minus 6, that is 11 years. So this is the age of brother and this is the age of Raman. Now in the 13th sum, it is given the sum of two consecutive odd numbers is 56. Find the numbers. Here it is given the consecutive odd numbers. You know that the odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, etc. So you can see the difference. Here the difference is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. So if we are assuming the consecutive odd numbers, then we have to write that let the consecutive odd numbers are x and x plus 2. You can see here x and x plus 2. The sum of these two numbers is 56. So we have to add 2x plus 2 is equals to 56. Now taking this 2 into the right hand side, we get 2x is equals to 54, or x is equals to 54 upon 2, that is 27. Now we have to write the two consecutive odd numbers. So this is 27 and 27 plus 2, or we get 27 and 29.